Ma, have you seen my book?
On the top shelf!
And where are my notes?
Under the table!
Those revision
In your bed!
You don't have to search for things in your room?
Navigation is very easy.
Did you bring your study material?
It's with me all the time.
What about practice questions and quizzes?
Have them right here.
You have the full syllabus here.
Yep, on the ACCA Study Hub.
ACCA Study Hub gives free online access to your study material, practice questions, quizzes, and flashcards all in one place. Use the ACCA Study Hub to navigate easily and boost your exam preparation.
Do you want anything?
I have everything I need.
Just go to your My ACCA account and find your ultimate study resource.